Friends, CVR, with its ongoing commitment to education, is going to continue its CME series. Only thing is, now we are migrating the CME series to the evenings, and that's based on the feedback we got from all of you. We're calling it a Venous Exchange. It's going to be an exchange of ideas and information so that we all can take care of our patients much better with the information that is constantly changing every day. Every one of these episodes will feature an absolute superstar in the field of venous insufficiency who not only is a good educator but also has done all the procedures himself or herself, who will be available for this Venous Exchange. Please join the exchange, make it a dynamic exchange of ideas so that again, we can all learn and go back and treat our patients better. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you at the Venous Exchange.